Where's my mind? Where's my mind?
Hey guys, it's me, Katiecake. Today I'm going to be filming a video for you guys, and it's going to be on a certain look that I just posted. It is mostly my natural, everyday go-to like look and stuff like that, because when I just want to do something basic, I just put lashes on instead of no eyeshadow or anything. So I'm going to show you guys that. Also, if you hear a fan in the background, it's so hot in here. I'm telling you, I'm sweating. And guys, I do my eyebrows different now, if you can see, you know, because I'm so, just kidding. Ew, I hate, oh wow, when Katiecake tries to be funny. Oh my god, it's so funny. But yeah, so let's get on with this video. So while this foundation drips down my face, I should apply that there. It's the Nars Sheer Glow foundation. I actually like it. It's really good for dry skin. I just wanted to tell you guys real quick, deauville, same like my radiant one. But yeah, I need to blend this out. This foundation drips down my face. I should apply that there. It's the Nars Sheer Glow foundation. I actually like it. It's really good for dry skin. I just wanted to tell you guys real quick, deauville, same like my radiant one. But yeah, I need to blend this out. Buy this foundation since it's my favorite now. So like, she's like new. So I'm just blending out this foundation, and I like this foundation a lot. Get down right there to my double chin. I usually get into my baby hairs, but okay. So lately, my skin's been okay, but it's had like a lot of dry patches. Anyway, well, it's all right. She's all right, but sometimes she's just not okay. Dude, I gotta stop. That is not okay. It is not okay. Oh, and when I do makeup for school, I get up at like 5 in the morning because it takes me like 2 hours because, you know, I'm extra like that. This foundation is so light. Wait, I love it. Like the other one, the radiant one, is like kind of like thick in a way because she's like a thick bitch. I'm so dumb. Lately, I've been like acting different. Like, new year, new me, bitch. I'm just kidding. Dude, I literally have no life. I have no life. And lately, guys, the tea, I haven't been talking to like a lot of people lately. Like, I'm more like getting separated to people because people are too much to handle. They can be annoying. And yeah, that's tea. I spilled the tea, guys. I spilled the tea. That's some of it. I have a lot, but yeah, it just happens. So I'm now using the Nars Radiant Concealer, Creamy Concealer. I got a new one because my other one was running out. So the other one I'm just going to kind of use for my eyebrows still, because there's still a little bit left. This concealer's expensive. It's 30 bucks. And I'm going to use every last drop of it, you know? And this concealer I'm obsessed with. But I just watched a video of like Tati. If you guys know her, I love her. She's the best YouTuber ever. Tati Westbrook. And I'm so triggered because she does not like this concealer at all. And I was like, I was so sad. I was just like, what the? Like, it's so good for like dry under eyes. So I was like surprised when she said that. Oh, also I have a tip for you guys. So pretty much I leave my concealer on for like a minute or so, and like I don't know, for some reason, like I see a difference when I leave it on for longer. And I don't know, it's like magic, guys. Like, I'm magical. And this is like my everyday school routine. I did prime and moisturize before I started this video because who wants to see primer? That's boring, homie. And so how's school life for you guys? I'm literally a month away from being a junior, and I just apply on my top layer. This is pretty much my primer, guys. I don't use eyeshadow primer. I just use concealer because it's a waste of time. But yeah, so I just apply this and keep it on for a minute. We'll see what the heck. My redness is coming through. I like putting a lot of this. I used to not put a lot of concealer, but now I just do. I don't know. I'm turning into a beauty group. Like, they put like pounds of concealer on so they can cover like their under eyes. But yeah, so I'll be right back with this blended. I'm like blending it out after like a minute or so. I think like probably 30 seconds or a minute. And I love how it turned out because it's not cakey. Like, usually people say it's like cakey once you like put a lot. But to be honest, my eye looks so good, if you can see that, and I like that. And like, I do apply an eye cream. So, I always think eye creams are important when you have dry under eyes. So I put the eye cream from Benefit. I forgot what it's called, but it's just like their only eye cream that they have. Oh, I don't really apply powder with the sponge that much anymore. I just usually, for my under eyes, I use this wet mod brush. It's supposed to be the blush brush, but you know, I just use it for this now because like it kind of curves in a way. And I'm using my Maybelline setting powder. I love this powder so much. You don't know how much I love it, guys. Like, we're best friends. I tried using other powders that say they're meant for dry eyes, like for dry skin. But I just feel like this one just works for me. Like, and it's supposed to, it's all for all skin types, so that's the thing. So I really like that. And like, she's a baddie, so I'm just gonna set this out real quick and I'll be back. So this is my favorite part, contouring. This is the e.l.f. powder contour kit, and I love it. I love it so much because these two shades are my favorite, and I usually mix them so it's like a warm tone with the cool tone. I literally have powder all over me. Oh my god, I'm getting the jitters. But yeah, so I usually mix a cool tone with warm tone. I don't know. This is a Morphe contour brush. I don't know what number it is, so I'm not a professional beauty guru. It's right here, and I like using brushes like that because they're very preciso. Spanish queen, huh? Oh, and see how my face looks after applying powder? It's not like dry, you know what I mean? It's not dry. And also, when you apply the powders and everything, make sure to put a spray on, which I actually forgot to do, but I'll do right now after this little contour thing. But I guess it makes it more luminous, and actually it does, to be honest, because I saw it, and I was like, I saw it before how I used to do it, and my face was dry until like I put the finishing spray on. And this just adds a little bit of more dewiness, which I really like because I used to be a matte girl when I had oily skin, more like much of an oily skin, but now I have more of a normal to dry skin because of course skin changes and everybody's like, makeup dries out your face. I'm like, honey, it's just based on what you use, because there's some products, I'm telling you, there's some products where they dry your skin out. And yeah, so I usually just contour with the number 3, of course, because contouring is life. I love contouring because it takes away my double chin. Did I just get it? Oh, whatever. It takes away your double chin and your fatness. Love that. Will always be my favorite part. Anastasia Beverly Hills and Cocktail Party. And I love these shades. These, oh shit, I'm probably blinding you. I love these shades. Oh, I didn't even cover it fully. But I love these so much because they're so cute. And I love peachy shades. And guys, when I say I put a lot of blush, I put a lot of blush. And I love blush because, and then people are like, I can tell you like blush. I was like, I know, right? I like to like, in a way, I like to show how like my rosacea is, or like my red cheeks, because I just love it, you know. And I like kind of going up on the under eyes where they are, because it shows like a youthful glow. Because you know, you want to look younger, and if you want to look younger, you gotta look dewier and shit. And oh, it just hurts. Oh my god. I'm so cool. But, and then also I add it on the chin. I love adding it right here. Like, I wish I can wear a full, like, face of blush, because blush is the best. I add it on my nose. I also contoured my nose, because she's a baddie, and she's kind of fat. Everybody's like, your nose isn't fat. And I'm like, to me it is, honey, so I'm gonna contour it still. See how much blush I put? I'm a baddie. So pretty much I, like, cut my stuff, you know, just stuff like that. And all you need to do is just set your makeup real quick, and then apply some lashes and mascara on. I usually use the Estee Lauder double multi-lash or something like that. I'm just gonna use my MAC Fix Plus to set it. Oh, I love this spray. It's so refreshing. Like, it melts all your makeup together. And I add too much, like, hey, you got some setting spray too, hey? Hey, girl. Oh. I'll be back with lashes. Hey, guys, so I added my highlight and everything. She's cute. And so, like, the lashes I am using today, it can be any lash. It doesn't have to be a certain lash, but these are made by Myra, and it's in Hundo P. I'm going to throw that on the ground real quick. And best part's coming up. Highlight. So I usually use this BH Cosmetics palette. It has like these highlights. The highlights are good in here, but the eyeshadows aren't. They're trash. But I like using this shade and that shade on the side. They are really like pigmented, and that's the best part because they are so shiny. For lips, you just add chapstick and stuff. Like I don't use a lippy when I go to school. But yeah, so this is my everyday makeup look, school or whatever. I just do this look every day if I want to, because sometimes I'm lazy. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe down below and like this video. I would appreciate it so much. Have a good day, have a good night, I don't know, and bye. Love you guys.